Welcome to the Readiness Tribe. Let's get started on today's video.
Mama, there goes that man.
Whoever said men love when women shoot their shot is a damn lie. Because I slid into some man's DMs and I let him know he was handsome. And I told him, like, you know, you're handsome and I might just let you take me to lunch. And he gonna leave me on red.
Okay, so there's no more balloons, so go ahead and go.
She shot her shot, got ignored, and now she's angry. That's not injustice, that's equality. Welcome to the same silence men navigate daily. Shooting your shot doesn't guarantee applause. Interest isn't owed. If no reply feels offensive, that's ego, not oppression. Sometimes the answer isn't try harder, it's simply no.
He called.
Men back in the old days used to literally be trying to get a first date with your grandma for like 6 months, proving to her time and time again why they were a great guy. Really, you should go out with me. I would take care of you, blah, blah. Like waiting 6 months, a year to get a chance to just go on a date with a girl. Just to go on a date. Can we bring back men that like yearn and like want to prove to a woman that like they're a great choice as a boyfriend, as a fiance, as a husband?
Yearning isn't extinct, it's selective. Men didn't forget how to court. They stopped over-investing without reciprocity. Romance requires alignment, not entitlement. If effort isn't matched, it gets redirected. You don't revive pursuit by demanding it. You earn it by inspiring it.
He called.
So rare that men shoot their shot in public anymore, or like even just say hi like a normal human being. I feel like men are so intimidated now and hiding behind social media. They don't know how to talk to girls in real life anymore. And the ones that do are like the freaks, and they be approaching you in the weirdest ways.
Men don't approach anymore. But when they do, they're creeps. That's not confusion, that's mixed signals. You can't penalize initiative and then complain about silence. Approach culture doesn't die from lack of interest. It dies from unclear standards. If the risk is humiliation, men will choose distance. Clarity attracts. Contradiction repels.
He called.
Okay, I can't believe I'm gonna admit this online because this is embarrassing, but I was rejected by a guy and he said he wasn't attracted to me.
Emotional, damn it.
That I was all of these amazing things, but he wasn't attracted to me. And it got me down so bad. I started like picking myself apart, and honestly, you guys, like I was just down really, really bad. And then I had to kind of give myself a little pep talk and be like, you're gorgeous and you have a great job and you're so loving and you have the best personality and you're so freaking funny. I mean, that's my best quality. And he's a loser. And then I felt better. But it just goes to show that you're not going to be everyone's cup of tea, like Amaya would say. And I don't want to be his tea anyways.
She wanted him. He declined. That's not cruelty. That's preference. Attraction isn't democratic. When the answer is no, dignity is the only move.
He called.
Where are all the eligible men? Where are the people that are worth trying for? Do we have to start going to hotels to meet people out of town? Do we have to start setting up dating apps for further distances? Because everywhere I'm going out and I'm trying to meet people, yeah, they're not there. They're either have a good career and make good money short, or they have very great looks. Honestly, I don't even know where the guys that have great looks are. Like, I haven't even found whereabouts to go for that.
If ego is leading, outcomes will repeat. When pride overrides reflection, every failure becomes external. That's not bad luck. That's pattern. Attraction requires adaptability. Ego resists correction. If multiple opportunities collapse the same way, the variable isn't the market. It's the filter. Ego doesn't sabotage loudly. It isolates quietly.
He called.
I just want a man who just wakes up and says, what you doing today? You got plans tonight? All right. Well, I would love for you to accompany me in some dinner. I would love to take you out. What the so hard about that? I don't think we're understanding as a generation that we're not no little kids anymore. This is how linking up to just go do whatever is high school shit. college shit. Just let's go get this eat and let's just walk around. We are grown. Some people we know have babies. Some people we know are married. Some people have their own place. Some people are doing big things. We are on our way to our 30s. We are nearing 25. And y'all just like, oh, you smoke? Oh, what you want to do? Oh, can you pull up? That's not dating. Y'all not kids. You're a grown man. Ask me out. What the fuck?
Can we date like adults? Absolutely. Adults communicate clearly, respect boundaries, and accept rejection without theatrics. Adults don't demand mind reading or punish honesty. If you want adult dating, bring adult accountability, consistency over chaos, clarity over games. Maturity isn't a slogan, it's behavior.
He called.
This concludes this video. If you made it this far, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please comment and subscribe. RT out.
Mama, there goes that man.